So this is the living room, and you see it goes over into the kitchen area. Hey guys, welcome back to another week of house hunting with Rochielin. Thank you so much for being here. Before we get into the video, just remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Rochielin, and then let's just get straight into the video. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. This is a 2-bedroom unit. As we enter, this is a kitchen right here and a little island in the middle. And then as we go along, here's the living room. It's a little bit narrow, kind of weird shaped, but yeah. And then as we turn around, then we're seeing the kitchen to that side. And then we enter to one of the 2 bedrooms, which is here. It has 2 windows, or 2 sets of windows rather, and then closet area over here with storage on top. And there's some noise now out here. I don't know where this noise comes from. Alright, noise gone. Oh, I don't know what's behind here. I need to ask about that. And then the 2nd bedroom is over here. Also has 2 sets of windows and a closet. And this one has a fan. So this is the bathroom. Here's the mirror. Alright, so the unit we looked at just now is a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, weird shaped living room place. It's on Creef Road. It's right from the back gate of the lofts. It's off Mountain View Avenue towards the top. As I say, it's the back of the lofts, like the lofts back gate. Yeah. I do not recommend this place, and I don't recommend this place because of the landlord that I just encountered with. She have a nasty attitude, and so I just go and put the video still just for you to have an idea of, you know, what $60,000 in this area can give you. But I'm not recommending this place because I don't wish for nobody live under how she behaved. Just know she have a nasty attitude, nasty. And when I work, when I stand for that, so I'm not even, the place never look that good, honestly. It's slim man she attitude and a bagger, and I don't understand what that was about. Right? She was very rude just now, and I don't know. For me, if I recommend it, so uno end up go, when I go cuss me out, because some people, you just, when I encounter them, you just leave them alone and know so that's enough for you. So anyways, we're gonna move on to the next place now, quick and fast, and take you guys with me. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Now we're going in. As you enter, so you hop around the area and you go through the entrance, and your unit is here, which is on the right hand side going in. an open concept. It opens to the kitchen. Okay.
Kitchen, bedroom.
This is the bedroom.
Hello. Morning.
And this is the bathroom. And here is the closet, the storage area, the storage up top. So this is kitchen and dining, and then come into the bedroom. And as you're in the bedroom, then closet and the bathroom. So this is the kitchen cupboards. And then you're upstairs towards the back of the house, and this is what the outside looks like. You have line space around there, yard space, and the rent includes water. Alright, so we just viewed 2 units in the same yard. Both are 1-bedroom units. Both are for $65,000, but they're willing to go as low as $60,000, and it includes water and maintenance. Now, it's in a very good neighborhood, and an upscale neighborhood. It's in, well, they're considered to be Hope Pastures, but it's right on the cusp of Hope Pastures and Barbican, because it's on Hope View Avenue. So the area is upscale. What I just saw in there, I don't really think it's worth $60,000, but if we're going based off location alone, I guess they could swing it that way. But for what's included, I would have 45 and cool. You know, I mean, $45,000 and cut and go through. But I'm assuming they're just going off of the area, because that's all there is really. It's nothing special, and the layout kind of funny. But it's doable for somebody who don't have a lot of things, and you know, even like a college student or somebody that's just starting out that don't have a lot of things and just need somewhere safe and somewhere, you know, to just go and jam. So it's good. It's just, as I said, if you're willing to pay $60 for the area, then yes. If you're not willing, then I'd say keep looking. But it's not a bad, the yard not bad, and it's a gated house. But just bear in mind that you're in a house with a lot of other people, so you know how that go already. Huh? What do you think?
Yeah. Everything.
Just
everything you say, just as you said it.
Just yet.
It's well said.
Alright, so we're on to the next one. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. living room. Yeah. And then as you go through the passage, then this is the bedroom. There's a small window right there that opens up to another side, but it's closed off. So in here you'll actually feel like it will be hot, so you'll have to use the fan. And then here is a bathroom that is shared by both bedrooms. And then here's the second bedroom, which is bigger than the first one. And it has more windows. And off to the side here is a kitchen area, which has a window as well. And space to go around to the back. So we're going around to the wash area now, which is towards the back of the house. Oh, it's a big backyard with line spacing and a water tank. So this is where you put your outside gas cylinder. And then as you come around here, this is the washing bay. For both sides, because it's two different, the house is split in two. So this is before, the left side of the house, and this one will be for the right side of the house. So we're in the back of this yard now, and the house itself is split in two parts. So one is a 2-bedroom and one's a 3-bedroom. The 2-bedroom is for 75,000. The 3-bedroom is for 120,000. Now, my thoughts. It's in Havendale, so the land spacing is big. Usually Havendale houses are big, have big front and backyard, and inside of the house is decent space, right? But I still don't know if I feel 120 for 3-bedroom just so enough. That sound too much.
It's too much.
And then 75 for the 2-bedroom.
Still
sound a little bit high. I don't know. But
it's just a regular decor. It's nothing spectacular about the house.
Yeah, it's nothing really special. It's normal, you know. But if you are interested, the information is in the description bar below, so check it out.
And another thing though to note, you have pear tree, apple tree, cherry tree,
under the tree right
fever
now.
grass, ackee tree, orange tree, the 2 mints. They have the black mint and the peppermint, and you have Jew plum tree. You have banana tree. You have another June plum. You have another big mango tree. And you have banana.
I think them get the point.
You have a whole tree.
And it's a pretty fair, decent sized backyard. Let me show you guys.
Pineapple.
So the option is there for a single person to take the entire house, which means you would add the 75 plus the 125. But if not, just bear in mind that someone else will be living next to you in the same yard. So as long as you're good with that, you go to the price, you go to the area, then you're good to go, you know. So on to the next one. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so I'm back at this building. It's the Echelon. I came here a couple of weeks ago, or maybe a month ago, and I showed you guys that they're currently under construction and they're building up a whole lot of units. I'm just back here to do like a little update video to show you what a completed room looks like, so that you guys have a better idea of what you'll be purchasing once you do it. Because I showed you what it looked like under construction and what I envision it to look like, but now it is completed like some of the rooms, so I'm gonna show you guys. So let's go. So this is the living room. All these furniture is supplied by Quartz. And I see it goes over into the kitchen area. You guys need some bar stools here. Nice. Your wash area there. So remember here where the closet where you walk into the bathroom. Closet and bathroom over here. And there's two entrances to the bathroom. One here from the living room, yeah, and the other to the bedroom.